This life don't owe you fuck all. What makes me sick to the back teeth is these people out there that seek instant gratification. They've got a sense of entitlement. Oh, I've earned a beer. Oh, I've earned a bottle of wine. Oh, I'm owed a holiday. You ain't owed fuck all. It's a fucking gift to be here and breathing and be alive and talking to you now. You have to learn to love what you do. The experts call it the process. I call it the grind. You have to accept that life is a grind, okay? Nothing happens instantly. It takes years of consistent good habits, and then you'll get your result. Keep moving forward. It doesn't matter how fast or how slow, as long as you're moving forward. Sometimes you might have to stop, sometimes you might have to make a sideways move, a lateral move, but then you start moving forward again. And that's what it's all about. Embracing the grind, learning to love your work, love the process. And that way, you won't seek instant gratification. Things that get me buzzed up when I've achieved my daily total for the day. So even if I've been hit by dodgy weather, you're ducking and diving in and out of the weather, you've been snookered on a couple of jobs, so building work going on, you can't get in there, thinking on your feet, bollocks, where can I get in? Boom, I need 50 quid, I've got an hour left, I'll go there. And when I achieve that, every day when I achieve my daily total, you can tell my moods as I'm getting like two jobs from the finish. I'm starting to I'm so off my tits on high vibes, you know. You know, it's things like that that really get me buzzed up. Achieving things. You know, when it's just you that's going out there doing it. I mean, when you start your business and when you grow your business and when your business becomes successful, you should be so proud of yourselves, you know, because it's you that's done that. No help, you've just got off your ass and you've set up your business. So you'll understand then how little things, little wins can send you right off on this euphoria. And you can't get that high from succeeding in business and life from anything else. You can't get it. Everything else is temporary. A cigarette, a beer, a holiday, a night out. It's done, gone. But the euphoria you'll get from creating this little enterprise of yours that can grow and fund the master plan of investments that you're going to have, your portfolio, and then be able to hand it down, and it's going to support umpteen families throughout the years. How exciting is that? To me, that is what excitement is all about. Anyway, I'm in with a bloody dentist again today, hygienist. Did I look good? But do you know, from certain angles, I reckon if the light was right, I could pass for Brad Pitt without my hat. Anyway, I'll see you later for more fucking lunacy. Oi, bully out.